Parents and students of biology. Here's the test breakdown. I have 3 A's, 4 B's, 7 C's, 4 D's, and 3 F's. What I'm allowing students to do that scored a D or an F, below 78%, I'm allowing them to retake a version of the exam if they choose to, and I will take I'll take the max grade they can make as the lowest C possible. So the max grade they can make on that retake would be a 78%. So that's kind of the idea with that. So if your son or daughter is struggling, make sure that you come and see me and talk to me about what they can do to do better. The grading period closes Friday. So please, after the grading period closes, I'm not going to reopen all these old practices. So check your students, check your RenWeb, make sure these practices are perfect scores. Make sure you have them done. And if not, go back and redo them. So and make sure you get those perfect scores. If they say quiz, you can't retake them. But if they say practice, they say any word practice anywhere at all, you can take it till you get 100%. So there's no reason you're not going back and redoing those. So that's kind of the idea with that. This week we have kind of a busy week. We're going to do more virtual labs. To basically try to get us on schedule with everybody else. We're looking at having the exam over. That's not this class. The exam over genetic technology sometime next week. Now, so we're going to do a couple virtual labs. I'm going to pass out another one out in class tomorrow, and a transformation lab. So we'll work on that too. So then a DNA fingerprinting activity lab, and then possibly a DNA microarray lab. These are all very cool stuff, and the nice thing is now the technology is that we couldn't actually do this with a 45-minute block setting. With all these virtual labs, we can get the idea and the premise of what's going on very, very, very quickly with this. So that's kind of what's going on this week. It's lab heavy, but it's a virtual lab per se. And we're looking at having the tests, not this week obviously, but possibly next week. So if your son or daughter is not on top and doesn't use their class time wisely, they may fall behind. I'll stay on top of them and notify you if it becomes an issue. But just make sure you're staying on this. And main thing, check those practices and make sure they have those up to 100%. I hope that helped, and have a good week.